The clearest image of Proxima b just revealed glowing lights that could change everything. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we now have a snapshot of this Earth-sized planet, only 4 light-years away. That's caught scientists by complete surprise. Webb's image showed strange lights, possibly like those from cities here on Earth. Let us prepare ourselves for what might come next, as we may be on the brink of proving we are not alone. Alien lights or nature's illusion? Imagine staring at the night sky and realizing that something amazing, something potentially life-changing, is happening just a few light years away. That is the kind of excitement scientists are feeling right now about a newly captured image of Proxima b, thanks to the incredible James Webb Space Telescope. Now, this is not some random floating rock in the universe. It is a planet, a mere 4 light-years away, that is roughly the same size as our Earth. And even more exciting, it is situated just right in its solar system's Goldilocks zone, the region where temperatures are perfect for liquid water, making it a strong candidate for potentially harboring life. And in the data, there's one detail, a mystery that could change everything we know about life out there. But let us step back for a second. This intriguing exoplanet is orbiting a star called Proxima Centauri, which is the nearest star to our solar system, sitting at a distance of roughly 24 trillion miles. That is a big number, but when it comes to space, it is practically our next-door neighbor. Imagine you could somehow look across those trillion miles and see a place with mountains, oceans, and perhaps even an alien civilization staring back. It is a thrilling possibility, right? And that is exactly what has scientists buzzing. The James Webb Space Telescope has only just begun its exploration, and already it has blown our minds. This telescope's keen eye has picked up what seems like bright lights on the neighboring planet, lights that resemble the glow from cities here on Earth. These are not just flares or random bursts of starlight. They are steady, organized patterns that hint at something more deliberate. The question burning in everyone's minds is whether these lights are a sign of intelligent life. Could it be that some advanced beings are out there, organizing societies and lighting up the night like we do? We are on the verge of possibly changing our understanding of the universe, and it is hard not to get swept up in the excitement. Scientists are in awe, and rightly so. We have never been this close to proving that we are not alone. Think about it. Lights that are 7 trillion miles away, possibly shining bright enough for our advanced telescopes to catch a glimpse of their glow. It is almost like they have been waiting for us to catch up, to finally develop the tech capable of spotting them. These lights are making everyone reconsider the whole question of, are we alone? Could there really be someone out there? Maybe they are more advanced, or maybe just as curious about the universe as we are. David Kipping, an astronomer who has been studying this exoplanet, mentioned that the planet seems quite complex. It does not behave like other rocky planets. Instead of just absorbing sunlight and releasing heat, it has got a relationship with its star, Proxima Centauri, that is different from anything we have seen. And the James Webb Telescope is exactly the kind of tool we need to make sense of it all. It is picking up thermal emissions, something that gives us an idea of what might be happening in the planet's atmosphere. And it is clear we have only just begun to scratch the surface. One of the biggest perks of using the James Webb Telescope is its ability to observe in infrared. Most space telescopes struggle to see dim, distant lights in the vast darkness of space. But the James Webb makes it seem like child's play. That is why it is our best bet to confirm whether these city-like lights are for real. Imagine what that could mean. We are talking about potential proof of intelligent life, organized societies that could be making their presence known to us without even knowing we are watching. This mysterious world has a unique day and night cycle, which comes from how it orbits its star. It is tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet is always facing the star, experiencing eternal daylight, while the other side is trapped in endless night. This causes extreme temperature differences. If there is an atmosphere, that could moderate things, helping make one side livable instead of burning hot while the other freezes. And if there is an atmosphere, that means there is potential for liquid water, which, you guessed it, means there is a possibility of life. The telescope's next steps will be to dive deeper into that atmosphere. The scientists want to see if this fascinating planet's atmosphere has any of the telltale gases that would signal life, like oxygen, methane, or water vapor. It is going to take a lot of time and careful study, but that is what this technology was built for. Sure, the James Webb Telescope was not specifically made to detect planets' atmospheres, but it is turning out to be quite good at it. And if there is even a chance of finding an atmosphere rich with these life-giving elements, it is worth every second. The thing is, even if the James Webb Telescope finds these promising gases, it is still not the final answer. We will need more observations, more studies, and even more advanced telescopes. The good news is there is already something in the works, the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, which will come online in a few years. The ELT will have an even better chance of analyzing distant atmospheres in greater detail. Imagine being able to see not just hints of gases, but detailed pictures of what is happening on planets light years away. That is what scientists are hoping for, and it could change everything we know about the universe. The more we learn about Proxima b, the more surprising it becomes. A closer look at Proxima b. The James Webb Telescope has been a game changer, though. It has already done more than most scientists dreamed. It has been picking up clues that could tell us about the formation of galaxies, stars, and even entire solar systems. But more importantly, it is giving us a sneak peek into what might be the best chance we have ever had at finding alien life. The lights on this intriguing celestial neighbor could be anything: natural phenomena, reflections, or even something we do not yet understand. But the idea that it might be a civilization, that has got everyone excited. We are only just beginning to understand how life might thrive in places that look nothing like Earth. Take extremophiles, for example. These are tiny organisms that live in some of the harshest conditions imaginable, like boiling temperatures or highly acidic environments. If life can survive there, who is to say what might be possible on a world like this one, with its extremes of hot and cold? Life is tough, and if there is one thing we have learned from studying Earth, it is that living organisms can adapt to almost anything if given the chance. And that brings us back to this enigmatic planet and those mysterious lights. Could they be a sign of something? Maybe they are evidence of a species that has learned to adapt, much like life on Earth. Or maybe we are looking at something that is not life at all, just a natural wonder we do not yet understand. Either way, it has got everyone talking. The universe is filled with endless mysteries, and this exoplanet is the latest one to capture our imaginations. This nearby world's unique relationship with its star, the unusual temperature differences, and the strange lights we are seeing, they are all pieces of a puzzle we are just beginning to put together. The James Webb Space Telescope has shown us that there is more out there than we ever imagined. It is a reminder that the universe is vast, and it is filled with wonders we can barely comprehend. This neighbor might not turn out to be a second Earth, but the possibilities it represents are thrilling. For now, all we can do is keep looking, keep wondering, and keep hoping that the answers are just around the corner. The distance of 4 light years to this nearby world is nothing compared to the scale of the universe. Yet the potential discoveries from this nearby system could change our understanding of everything. This planet is about 1.2 times the mass of Earth, and its radius is slightly larger. The fact that it lies within the habitable zone, or what is often called the Goldilocks zone, means that it is neither too hot nor too cold for liquid water to potentially exist. This concept is fundamental to the search for extraterrestrial life, as liquid water is considered a key ingredient for life as we understand it. The host star of this fascinating planet, Proxima Centauri, is a red dwarf. Red dwarfs are smaller, cooler stars compared to our sun, but they are incredibly common throughout the galaxy, making up about 70% of all stars. This is important because if life can exist around a red dwarf, it would significantly increase the number of potential habitable planets in our galaxy alone. Proxima Centauri emits much less light and heat compared to our sun, which means that this rocky neighbor orbits much closer to its star than Earth does to the sun. This proximity makes the planet more vulnerable to stellar flares and radiation, which might challenge the survival of any potential life forms. However, if this exoplanet has a magnetic field or a thick atmosphere, it might shield the planet from these harmful effects, giving life a fighting chance. The James Webb Space Telescope's ability to detect infrared radiation is a crucial tool in studying worlds like this one. Infrared radiation can give us information about the temperature of a planet and the composition of its atmosphere. This is particularly helpful when trying to understand whether a planet could be hospitable to life. If this rocky body has an atmosphere, it would help to moderate the extreme temperature differences caused by being tidally locked to its star. Tidally locked means one side of the planet is always facing the star, resulting in a permanent day side and a permanent night side. Without an atmosphere, the day side would be unbearably hot, while the night side would be freezing. An atmosphere, if present, could help distribute heat, creating more moderate conditions across the planet. Scientists are hopeful that this neighboring world could have an atmosphere, as this would greatly increase the chances of it being habitable. By analyzing the light that passes through the planet's atmosphere when it transits in front of its star, scientists can look for specific molecules, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. These are considered biosignatures, as their presence could indicate biological processes. The James Webb Space Telescope has already demonstrated its capability to study the atmospheres of exoplanets, and its observations of this unique neighbor are eagerly awaited. Each new discovery on Proxima b takes us further into an exciting journey. The chemical clues to alien life. The concept of biosignatures is central to the search for life beyond Earth. These are chemical compounds that are produced by living organisms, and their detection in an exoplanet's atmosphere could be the first hint of alien life. For example, on Earth, photosynthetic life produces oxygen, and its presence in large quantities is a strong indicator of life. Similarly, methane is often produced by biological processes, though it can also be produced by geological activity. The combination of different biosignatures, such as oxygen and methane, would be particularly compelling, as it would be difficult to explain their presence without some form of life. The possibility of intelligent life on Proxima b is even more intriguing. The lights detected by the James Webb Space Telescope resemble the lights produced by cities on Earth, leading to speculation that they could be evidence of an alien civilization. Of course, there are many possible explanations for these lights, and scientists are cautious about jumping to conclusions. They could be natural phenomena that we do not yet understand. However, the idea that we might be seeing the lights of an alien city is undeniably exciting. If true, it would mean that we are not alone in the universe and that there are other intelligent beings out there, perhaps wondering the same things we are. The potential discovery of intelligent life would have profound implications for humanity. It would change our place in the universe, showing us that we are not unique. It could also lead to new technologies and ways of thinking as we learn from an advanced civilization. However, there are also challenges. Communication across the vast distances of space would be incredibly difficult, taking years for a message to travel from Earth to Proxima b and back. There are also ethical considerations. How should we approach contact with an alien civilization? Should we even attempt to contact them? Or would it be safer to observe from a distance? These are questions that humanity will need to grapple with if we do find evidence of intelligent life. The James Webb Space Telescope is also helping us understand the broader context of Proxima b. By studying other planets and stars, it is giving us a sense of how common potentially habitable worlds are. The discovery of Proxima b, along with thousands of other exoplanets, suggests that planets are common in the galaxy. Many of these planets are in the habitable zones of their stars, meaning that they could have conditions suitable for life. The more we learn, the more it seems that our solar system is not unique, and that there could be many worlds like Earth out there. The extremely large telescope, set to come online in the next few years, will take this search to the next level. With its massive mirror, it will be able to study the atmospheres of exoplanets in even greater detail than the James Webb Space Telescope. It will be able to detect fainter signals and look for more subtle signs of life. The combination of the James Webb Space Telescope and the extremely large telescope will give us an unprecedented view of distant worlds, bringing us closer than ever to answering the question of whether we are alone in the universe. The search for life on Proxima b is just one part of a broader effort to understand our place in the cosmos. For thousands of years, humans have looked up at the stars and wondered if there is anyone else out there. We have imagined countless scenarios, from peaceful coexistence to interstellar conflict. Now, for the first time, we have the technology to begin answering that question. The James Webb Space Telescope, along with other advanced observatories, is giving us the tools we need to explore the universe in ways that were previously unimaginable. The discovery of Proxima b and the possibility that it could harbor life is a reminder of how much we still have to learn. The universe is vast, and our knowledge of it is still in its infancy. Every new discovery raises new questions and challenges our understanding of how things work. Proxima b might not turn out to be a second Earth, but it is a step on the path to finding one. It is a reminder that the universe is full of possibilities and that we are only just beginning to explore its wonders. Imagine a future where we have found not just one, but many planets like Proxima b. A future where we have confirmed that life exists elsewhere in the universe, and perhaps even made contact with an alien civilization. It is a future that seems like science fiction, but it is one that we are moving towards, one discovery at a time. The James Webb Space Telescope is at the forefront of that journey, and its discoveries are bringing us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Imagine if we made contact, should humanity respond? Share your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe.